At Combi, we use robotic solutions to support packaging equipment. We use robotics for high-speed pick-and-place applications that require more precision and accuracy. We select Fanuc robots because they're globally one of the most recommended and highly sought-after robotics manufacturers.
As the world leader in factory automation, Fanuc Robotics provides a variety of robotic solutions for the packaging industry. Combi's robotic random case erector utilizes the flexibility of robotics by allowing the customer to select a variety of different case sizes on the fly. Flexible solutions like this allow manufacturers to be faster and more competitive than ever before.
So at Combi, we're developing processes and software packages to go along with PLCs and robotics that would be unique compared to other companies, one of which is recipe development. The software is going to be driven to where an operator attempts to create a new recipe with a brand new product that the system has never seen. The robot will be equipped with tooling that will actually measure the product itself. It'll measure the new case and then create its own recipe. So realistically, the more self-aware the system we develop, the easier it is for the operator. We're going to run this product, they put it on the conveyor, and then the system will instruct the operator on exactly what needs to be done to run that product.